We spent a ton of time researching the best things to see and do in Lisbon, Portugal before we went. And after coming back, these were the can't miss things I recommend you go and see and do while you're there. First one would be the sunset and wine sailing tour. It's such a beautiful and romantic way to see the city. Most of the boats leave from Belem, so it's a really good opportunity to explore that area while you're down there. The other things to do are to go and see the Miradoros. It doesn't really matter which one you go to, they all offer these amazing panoramic views of Lisbon. We went en route to our Skip the Line Pass tour of St George's Castle. St George's Castle is really quick and easy to do. You probably only need 45 minutes there, so it doesn't take up too much of your day. If you're looking for the best place to take photos, because we all love a good photo, Pink Street is really good, as well as the rooftop bar at Rocio Gastrobar. We are total foodies and winos, and we love a good food and wine tour. We did one in Venice, Italy that we loved, and this is another one we did. And it was absolutely incredible. We went to so many local restaurants and tried so many authentic foods and drink. If you love your food and wine as much as we do and you aren't afraid to try new things, I highly recommend this tour. It's a really fun city to explore by tram or by foot and take in all of the live entertainment that often goes on in a lot of their main squares. One of the best places to visit from Lisbon is Sintra, but unfortunately there were fires whilst we were there, so our tour got cancelled. So instead we booked this wine and cheese tour, which was a really cool thing to do. It was really relaxing, it was really chill. We also got to visit some other things like a tile factory if you're into seeing how the traditional Portuguese tiles are made by hand, as well as a Vasco da Gama bridge. And two wineries, although I would wish we'd had time for more. The only thing I'd say on this is do not pick the grapes. They don't taste good, they are not ripe. Stick to the wine. It is really such a beautiful city. It's one of those you really want to take time to enjoy. So I definitely recommend booking a hotel that has a rooftop pool or an outside bar with amazing views. So you can just sit in the pool, you can sit and have a cocktail during the day or the evening. We like coming back to our hotel at night to have a nightcap, saved walking around late at night, and it was full of locals and it often had live music as well if you're looking for somewhere to listen to fado music. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up.